Looking to upgrade your IT skills this October? Oranet Pakistan is bringing you a wide range of industry-leading courses, all starting soon. Let's dive into our October schedule. Starting on October 7th, we have courses in Oracle 19c DBA, Oracle Apex, and Oracle Forms Developer, perfect for mastering database management. Join us on October 10th for Oracle Fusion in Financial SCM and HRMS modules. On October 12th, we kick off training for SAP-S4 Hana Financial and SAP-S4 Hana SCM. And on October 14th, jump into the world of cloud computing with AWS Solutions Architect and our Python training course. Starting on October 17th, gain expertise in Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Azure Administrator, and Microsoft AI with Power BI and Power Apps. Don't miss the Microsoft Exchange Server, Office 365, and Microsoft Dynamics 330, 310, and 800 courses starting on October 20th. Looking for security training? Offensive Security kicks off on October 23rd. On October 25th, explore the world of ERP with Odoo ERP training. We also have Red Hat OpenShift administration starting on October 27th, and Advanced Kubernetes CKA, CKAD, and CKS training starting on October 30th. Don't miss your chance to elevate your career with our live virtual classes, led by industry experts. Enroll today and start learning from the best. Click the link in the bio or description to sign up now.